Today we are in Kaunas, Lithuania, at Akvatera W factory. It's one of the most advanced wet pet food factories in Northern Europe, opened recently and designed to meet the highest industrial and sustainability standards. Here you see an industrial chimney designed and installed by Sauresta. The chimney operates with a gas boiler and a condensing economizer, allowing waste heat to be recovered and reused instead of being released into the atmosphere. This significantly improves energy efficiency and supports sustainable production processes. The chimney has a working diameter of 400 millimeters, a height of 14 meters, and is designed to withstand operating pressure up to 200 pascals. For strength and stability, additional stiffening ribs are formed along the structure. Each element is precisely manufactured and securely fixed. All connections are made with stainless steel clamps. Shaped elements are laser welded for tightness, durability, and clean aesthetics. Inside, the chimney is made from acid-resistant stainless steel. It includes thermal insulation. The outer layer is also stainless steel, ensuring long service life and safe operation. This solution was delivered together with Termolink, our strategic partner in heat engineering. Termolink designed the full engineering and heating systems of the facility. Sauresta was responsible for the chimney engineering and manufacturing. Projects like this show what is possible when strong partners work together. Today, Sauresta and Termolink are ready to deliver complex industrial solutions, from design to execution.